Good day mga ka-DIYers! This is your DIY Dad. Once again, I made a DIY project. And this is not the usual project that I'm always making, like woodworks or metalworks. Because on this project, I use PVC pipes. This is my DIY alcohol dispenser. I use 25mm PVC pipes for this project. It has a pedal that when you step on it, magdi-dispense naman yung alcohol from that container. I already saw some of this thing in different establishments already. The difference is they use two sizes of PVC pipes. They're using the 25mm and also they're using a smaller one. They're using that smaller one on this part of the dispenser. Ito yung nag-up and down when you step on the pedal. This is the one who's responsible in squeezing or pressing the trigger para mag-dispense yung ating alcohol container. The only problem I noticed when you use two sizes of PVC pipes is the difference on their diameter, because this will be the positioning of it. The smaller PVC pipe will be inserted with the bigger one. So when you step on the pedal, it will have a movement of up and down. At the same time, it will have extra movements of back and forth and side to side. That causes our dispenser to sway. The solution I made on that problem is I only use one size of PVC pipe, which is the 25mm. And for the part that will go up and down when you step on the pedal, I use wood in holding it. And I think this is the most practical way in doing this. And also the difference with the other designs, they're only using the spring of the alcohol container to push back this lever when you step on the pedal. And I think that's too much pressure that you will put on the spring of the alcohol container. What I did, to support it, I also installed springs. So now, the task and the functions are divided into 3 springs. This project is 100% success. Kaya I'm planning now to make another one. And with that, I will show you the step-by-step process how I made this. Kaya tara! Let's get some materials. These are all the materials that we will be needing. And for the wooden part, we could use any cut of woods that are available in our shop. We could use plywood, pallet wood, or a scrap pine wood. The first thing we need to do is we will cut these PVC pipes according to sizes that we will be needing. We could use PVC cutter or metal hacksaw. But since I don't have any of those tools, I will just use my miter saw. Do you know that I only trust one PVC pipe brand? And that's the Crown pipe. Aside from providing access to clean and potable water, this Crown-shaped blue pipes has the characteristics of extra strong and safe, high pressure resistance, smooth internal and external surface, and made from 100% virgin material. These are all the PVC pipes that we cut for our project. We have 4 pieces of 4.4 cm, 4 pieces of 5.5 cm, 2 pieces of 9.3 cm, 2 pieces of 9.8 cm, 2 pieces of 14.8 cm, 2 pieces of 16.9 cm, 4 pieces of 18.7 cm, 2 pieces of 30 cm, 2 pieces of 52 cm, and 2 pieces of 94 cm. These are the other accessories that we will be needing. We need 8 pieces of crown blue T 25 mm, 16 pieces of crown blue elbow 25 mm, black screws, door springs, crown UPVC plastic solvent cement, angle brackets, but these are optional, cut-off wood or scrap wood. We will first assemble the footings and we will just copy this. We will use 4 elbows, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 T's, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 pieces of 16 by 9 cm, 2 pieces of 4.4 cm, and 2 pieces of 9.3 cm. We will fix this all by applying UPVC plastic solvent cement. These are the footings. We will connect it using 2 elbows, 1 piece of 18.7 cm, and 2 pieces of 4.4 cm. We will now connect the 30 cm with these 2 T's. We will now attach the other 18.7 cm and 2 pieces of 5.5 cm with these 2 elbows. Two pieces of 52 cm here. We will now assemble the upper part, this part and the backing support. We installed two 5.5 cm here, and these two are the 18.7 cm. This one will be placed here on top, but before doing that, we need to provide first the boards here. We will now assemble the inner tubes. But we will not attach the upper part because we need to insert it first inside these boards. These are for the inner tubes. This is 94 cm, the longest part. These are 9.8 cm that we will connect to these elbows. While waiting it all to dry up, we will prepare the wooden parts. This will be the wooden parts. These two will be the pedal. We will bore a hole here, then we will attach them to each other. These two will be the guides. We will bore holes here, and then the post will pass through these holes. We will also bore 2 holes inside. Those 2 holes will serve as the handle and guide of the lever. Since we use the 25 mm pipe, we will also use the 25 mm spade bit. So exactly yung size ng diameter ng 25 mm nitong pipe sa kayang i-bore na hole nitong 25 mm spade bit natin. These holes on the sides, we will just sand it just to remove the splinters. Much better kasi kung saktong-sakto lang talaga yung PVC pipe sa kanya. And these holes, since this will be the guide or the rail of our lever, kailangan to ng well sanded para yung ating PVC pipes makapaglaro siya ng maayos when you step on the pedal. Much better kasi if less friction. We will not put adhesive on this part. We will fix it with screws only. If ever that we need to make adjustment, meron pa tayong way para tanggalin siya. We already attached this part. We will now fix this. The positioning of this depends on the height of the alcohol container. I think this is the ideal height and positioning. If ever that we will be using a smaller container, sample, we will use this. We will just adjust this one going up until this one reaches this level. Now, we will now fix this and we will attach springs here. And now we will install the footings and the pedal. And these are my DIY alcohol dispensers. I hope that you enjoyed and you learned a lot from this video. Maraming salamat sa patuloy na pagsuporta. Hanggang sa muli!